Click on the link below to get price. The Tamobyke V20 series moped electric bike is an outstanding choice for adults seeking a powerful, versatile, and eco-friendly mode of transportation. With a dual motor option of 750W and 1500W, this electric bike delivers impressive performance, reaching speeds of 28 miles per hour up to 33 miles per hour, depending on your selected configuration. This speed allows for quick commutes and thrilling rides, making it suitable for both city streets and off-road adventures. The bike also impresses with its range, offering between 25 to 68 miles on a single charge, thanks to the robust 48V battery options, 15, 6Ah and 18, 2Ah. This flexibility means you can choose a battery based on your travel needs, whether you're running errands or planning a longer journey. The pedal assist system is intuitive, allowing riders to easily select their desired level of assistance. This feature not only enhances the riding experience but also maximizes battery efficiency. In terms of build quality, the Tamobyke V20 series is commendable. Its sturdy frame and reliable components ensure durability, even under demanding conditions. The bike features a comfortable seat and adjustable handlebars, promoting a relaxed riding position. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes provides excellent stopping power and enhanced safety, which is particularly reassuring at higher speeds. Additionally, the bike is equipped with bright LED lights and reflectors, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides. The overall design is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide demographic of riders looking for style alongside functionality. However, potential buyers should consider assembly time and maintenance, as the bike comes partially assembled. Adequate attention to upkeep, such as battery health, is also essential for ensuring longevity. Overall, the Tamobyke V20 series moped electric bike is a compelling option for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and enjoyable ride. Its combination of power, range, and comfort makes it a worthy investment for urban commuting and leisure riding alike.